What's up, YouTube? Van Man, back at you with another video. I won't be long on this video because I'm on my break. I've already had something to eat this morning, and whatever else I can snack on the way back. But I had to come out here and share this with you. This is right up the street from the job. I'm so fortunate. Get out and take a walk. By the way, like, share, go ahead and subscribe. You this far into the video, go ahead and subscribe. I appreciate it. And you're helping the channel grow. I've got to get my fishing license, guys. I just want to share a little nature with you. Get out, go for a walk today. It's not all about, you can scroll through Instagram while you're taking a walk in nature. But get out and enjoy this. You hear these birds singing? All this beauty in nature around me. Absolutely awesome. I really can't find much to talk about, but get outside. I took off early yesterday just so I could come enjoy this a little bit. This has been more or less a nature break. Brought to you by Van Man. I don't have time to talk about a topic. I don't have anything going through my mind right now that I can really talk about. I'm out here enjoying this. And I'm going to get off this video. I'm going to end it now because, yeah, I want to enjoy more. See you on the next one.